Thanks for tuning in again to Barker's Nerf channel. Tonight I will be doing another Nerf repair. So I received this today. This used to be a FlipFury, but somehow it ended up in this state and the owner has been unable to assemble it himself. I hope that all the parts are present. I will try my best and see if I can actually fix this. Okay, this is obviously the catch. Okay, this trigger. Okay, that mechanism is broken. Springs. I can just hope that all the parts are here. Another spring. Screws in there. We need a screwdriver. Okay, so as you can see, this part has actually somehow came loose from this. I've never actually opened one of these before or repaired it, so if I get anything wrong or if there's any parts that I don't know where it must go, please feel to comment, tell me about it. I can really use some info here. Okay, so I don't think that must go there. Yeah. Let's get rid of this for the moment. Okay. Okay. Guess the gears must go in there. Got a little point must go in there, I guess. Ooh. And the spring, let's try like that. Yeah, that seems to fit in there. Okay, and this mechanism. That's a pain in the ass. Hope that holds. There to turn it around. Right, shall we try and see if this actually works? I've never actually even seen how FlipFury works, so maybe before I try and use it, let me go and check out the review on it. Okay, so what I can tell you right now is the blaster will primes and shoots, but there's something wrong here with this trigger. It doesn't release at all, and to be honest, I'm gonna have to open it up again to see exactly how that mechanism is supposed to be working. Okay, time to open it up again. Okay, so let's have a look at this thing. So when that lever gets pulled, it's very tough. Okay, I've managed to figure out where one of the springs go. There was this little, I'm not sure what you would call it, little cap, and it takes the spring like that. And where that now fits in, I'm just going to put it to the side for the moment, is it pushes up from the bottom into this area here. And as you pull the lever here at the bottom to cause the revolver to rotate, it pushes forward and then pulls back, causing this mechanism to turn. Okay, so let me quickly show how that connects. Okay, so I'm going to close this up first, because otherwise that's going to come apart. Okay, so with that secured, I can actually flip it over. This, and the gear goes in there. So remember we had this little piece. So it turns out that you see it's got a little hole there. That is where this fits in. But okay, I've got it. Now to keep that in without losing that spring and get it in place with this other spring. Yes. Okay. So this piece fits in here. Then you've got the trigger. Fits in like that. First I have to get this long, straight, thin piece of plastic to go in here. And once I've got that in place, it should be easy. Okay. It's in place. Now all I have to do is press it and lock it in place. Okay, it's locked in place. Awesome. Next, I can place it into its shell. Okay. It's assembled. Now to just check that it all works. Do the test. So here's a few darts. Let's load it. Okay, we've got a few dots in everywhere. Let's see what happens. Prime. Okay, it seems it was primed already. Fire. Works. Prime. Fire. Okay, rotate the drums. That seems to work. I would call this functional. So that concludes my repair of the FlipFury. If you like this, if you've got any comments, drop me a line. And see you next time. Cheers.